We're here in front of the Blue Mosque, and things in Turkey have gotten more expensive in 2024. We here are 5 things that we did that don't break the bank.
I am made to be free.
The first budget-friendly thing we're doing in Istanbul is the free walking tours. We've done them in lots of other cities and we always enjoy them. It's essentially tip-based. It's not free, but you can pay what you wish, so it's always cheaper than other organized tours. We are actually going to be doing 2 different walking tours. One takes us to all the hits in Old Town, and then the second one will take us to kind of lesser known sites within Old Town.
Doing the walking tour right now. It's really good. I'm really enjoying it. John, how are you liking it? There it is.
No, I'm loving it.
I think he's a really good tour guide. We're doing another tour through this company called the alternate tour. Yeah, he's very clear. It's really nice. But he's not doing that tour, so it's kind of sad.
So kind of in the center of Old Town, there's 2 famous mosques, Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. Hagia Sophia used to be free, but now it's €25. We are going into the Blue Mosque for free because we're on a budget.
That mosque is pretty ornate. It's pretty nice. I mean, we've seen other mosques. The other mosques we've been in so far have been simpler, but this one obviously is famous. Not just because it's large, but because it's quite ornate and it has the blue tiles inside. It's just really nice. The stained glass windows, very nice.
Kind of smelled like feet.
Because everybody has their shoes off.
Just behind you with my shoes, to be honest.
It's because everybody has their shoes off.
I noticed it walking.
Everybody's carrying their shoes up at smell level, but I didn't think it was too bad. We're not going to go into Hagia Sophia.
It's too expensive.
Too darn expensive. I'm gonna pay $25 to go into a mosque. If this is what we get to see, no problem. I thought that was really nice. And you know, a mosque's a mosque. For us. Maybe if you're a part of the faith, it's a big deal, if it's a big difference, but for us, it's the same. It's the same for us. So if you want to do a cheaper mosque than Hagia Sophia, equally as famous, probably equally as nice, the Blue Mosque here. You can't go wrong, I think. One of the activities that we're doing here in Istanbul on a budget is we want to visit a hammam. A hammam is like a traditional Turkish bath. So after a little bit of research and looking on Reddit, we found this place here. It's called Cinili Hamam, and it's a little bit older. It's 670 years old, so it has that nice authentic sort of feel to it. But it only costs about €35 for the sort of the full experience, which is about half price of nearly kind of anywhere else, and significantly less than in the sort of the Taksim area. Our next budget item that we're doing here in Istanbul starts here at the Aga Kapsi, the Golden Gate. There is a fort really close by that you can pay to visit. The entry price is very reasonable, actually. But we're gonna walk along the entire length. It's about 6 kilometers long. It goes from the south side of the peninsula to the north side. We'll find different sections along the way in different sort of conditions, but we're just gonna walk along history. We're walking along, we came to this like kind of done up area. There's like a little cafe thing. It's all run by the city. It's free to come in here. And it's some reconstructed areas you can walk all around. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know this existed. I thought we were just gonna walk along broken walls for most of it. This is really cool. And the rain stopped, so it's like really nice. Because this is not like an organized activity by anybody, and it's just sort of a freestyle history tour, you'll reach a point maybe where you don't kind of know the path, so you just gotta kind of look on Google Maps and see the route. We don't exactly know where we're gonna go, but it's about the adventure. Enjoying your nice walk along the walls of Constantinople. maybe you come across the Kerry Mosque and you think, oh, that's gonna be a really nice place to go into. It's 20 euros admission. That's crazy. So that's not in this video because we're not doing that. We've come to what we believe is the end of the wall. We're just right off the water here. But as far as walking the walls of Constantinople goes, what do you think? Yeah, it was really enjoyable and free. For our final budget item here in Istanbul, we come to do a Bosphorus cruise, costs 10 euro, and we're gathered now where our tour guide told us, just here at the base of the beautiful Hagia Sophia. Oh, it's not a private tour. This is everybody, look at all this. Yeah, don't expect a little quiet, little personal private tour. If you come on this Bosphorus boat tour, we got a pro tip for you. Just come down to the dock. Don't meet people at 7, just come down and get directly on the boat. You don't need to follow the umbrella guy, and so you don't have to wait and you get the best seats in the house. It's not bad for us, but it could be. We are leaving the cruise right now, which was quite a bit busier than we expected, although we should have been wise on it because it was 10 euro. What did you think of our Bosphorus cruise?
At first it was like, oh no, there's so many people. But then once you kind of settled in and realized you can walk around and check out different parts of the boats and get different views, it like became more relaxing, I guess.
Yeah, I think it's good. I think I'm glad that I paid 10 euro for it.
Yes.
I'm glad it didn't cost me 25 euro.
Yeah.
It was worth what we paid for it.
If you want snacks, bring your own snacks.
Yeah, oh my God, snacks on there are so expensive. And so hopefully this has given you some ideas about how you can visit Istanbul if you're on a bit of a budget, and give you some good things so you can still enjoy and see the city. Of course, our final tip for having a budget trip in and around Istanbul is take the bus. It's a very smart way to travel.